A very good day to all traders. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. Yes, I do know that you have just received the weekly market analysis. This is the trade ideas itself. Alright, so on this daily chart, we can see the market is very bullish. Let me just do a quick recap on this. Market is on its bull run. And this is what we are looking at right now. I'm looking for a buying opportunity back at this zone. So when I saw this movement itself, I start asking myself what are other ways I can get involved. And of course, obviously, if you have watched the weekly market analysis, that's one way. Alternatively, I can zoom down to 4-hour chart and spot for something. Alright, so I will not be sharing the exact movement step by step. First, it may bore you. Second is our course content of our another course director itself. So this is what I have spotted over here. Have you spotted it to our students? Okay, so over here there is a shark formation that has fulfilled all requirement for me to go for a long. Not now, but until it have reached 110.40. That would be the range I'm looking for a buying opportunity. The exact stop loss and target profit I'll be sharing with my inner circle. Alright, that's all I have for you right now, and do note that shark entry can go up to 3 different levels. So I will urge that if you are really interested and if you can make your way down to 11th of September, we are having a workshop. My partner will be sharing more on one of our favorite pattern. I'll leave the link right at the bottom of the YouTube channel itself. And of course, to attain this chart itself, just go straight all the way to the bottom of the description. I'll leave the chart there. Until then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan. And if you only receive this video way after 3rd of September, chances you're not our subscriber. Subscribe to us for just $100 a month. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan, and I